Then the girl in the corner with the scarlet letter. While you're watching, you may think that she doesn't matter, but no one knows you better.
So hi guys, I'm Jebel Laria and I'm here to answer the Packet Tracer Chapter 4, Identify MAC and IP addresses. So the objectives: Part 1, gather PDU information. Part 2, reflections question. Background: this activity is optimized for viewing PDUs. The devices are already configured. You will gather PDU information in simulation mode and answer series of questions about the data you collect. Part 1, gather PDU information. Note: review the reflection question in Part 2 before proceeding with Part 1. So step 1, gather PDU information as packet travels from 172.16.31.2 to 10.10.10.3. Click letter A. Click the 172.16.31.2 and open the command prompt. So we need to click the 172.16.31.2 and we need to click the command prompt. So enter the ping 10.10.10.3. So the ping 10.3 with 32 bits of data. Switch to the simulation mode and repeat the ping 10.0 and command a PDU appears to the next 172.116.31.2. So switch to simulation and next repeat the ping 10.2 and PDU appears next to 172. Simulation capture play controls. Capture for I. So next is the click the PDU node following information from outbound PDU layer tab. Destination MAC address, source MAC address 00C85CC IDA7, source IP address 172.16.31.2, the destination IP address 10.10.10.3 at device computer. Click capture forward to move the PDU to the next devices. Gather that same information from step 1. Repeat this process until the PDU reaches its destination. Record the PDU information gathered in the spreadsheet using format like table shown below. So in the destination map, we need to click the PDU PDU 17.132. So the destination MAC at the outbound of PDU layer tab is the destination MAC the SRC IP 172.16.31.2 the source IP address the 0085CC1D78. So next is gather the additional PD information from other pings. Repeat the process step 1 and gather information for the following test. Ping 10.10.2 from 10.10.3. So we need to ping the 10.10.2 from the 10 we need to ping 10.10 from ping 10.10.3 from 10 ping 10.10.2 next is ping 172.16.31.172.16.31.3 is already ping and 172.31.4 from 10.10.2 ping 10.10.10.2. So ping 32 bytes of data and ping 172.16.31 from 10 point need to ping the 172.16.31.3 ping 10.10.10.2. So ping 10.10 with the 32 bytes of data. So next is the part 2 reflection questions. Answer the different types. Answer the following question regarding the captured data. Number 1. Were the different types of ports used to connect devices? So to connect, so yes, because the copper and the fiber. So did the wires change and handling of the PDU in any way? So no. So did the hub lose any of the information given to it? So no. Did the wireless access point to do anything with the information given to it? Nothing. So what does the hub do with the MAC address and IP address? Nothing, because no one only have not no one happened. So next is the did the wireless access points do anything with the information given to it? So yes, it it repackaged, it was wireless 802.11. So, what is the highest OSI layer at the hub and access point use so the highest layer is the layer 1, and access point is the layer 1. Next is did the hub of access point ever duplicate a PDU that was rejected with a red X? So yes. When examining the PDU details tab, which MAC address appeared first, the source of the destination? So the destination. The destination. Was there a pattern to MAC addressing in the simulation? So no. Did the switches ever duplicate a PDU that was rejected with a red X? No. Every time that the PDU was sent between the 10 network and the 172 network, there was a point where a MAC address suddenly changed. Where did that occur? So, it occurred at the router. So, next is, which devices use MAC address starting with 00D0? So, the router. So, to what devices did the MAC address belongs? To the sender and the receiver. The sender and the receiver, the IPv4. Next is, did the sending receiving IP address switch in any of the PDUs? The answer is no. So, if you follow to the reply pin sometimes called upon, do the sending and receiving IPv4 address to switch? Yes. 18. What is the pattern to the IPv4 addressing in the simulation? So, each port of a router requires a set of non-overlapping addresses. So, if the simulation was configured with IPv6 instead of IPv4, what would be different? The IPv4 address would be replaced with IPv6 addresses, but everything else would be in the same. So there are 20 questions worth 5 points each for the possible source of 100. So that's all the chapter 5 packet tracer, identify MAC and IP addresses. I hope you learned about the given pathways in the MAC addresses and the IPv4 of the simulation.